Rohita, what number is this, Rohita? This one.
Next number. What number? 5, 4, 44.
No.
54.
5 4 54. Good. Very good. Good morning, Prajesh. How are you?
That's it. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Dharmika,
Yes, ma'am.
what number is this?
4141.
4141. Good. Prajesh. Bless you. What number is this, Prajesh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nitila. What number is this?
35.
This one, this one.
383. 3838.
Very good. 3838. Good. Nitila.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nitila, good morning, Aiden. What number is this, Nitila?
42.
Very good. 4242. Okay. Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
What number is this, Devkrish?
Good morning, Param.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aiden. What number is this? Devkrish.
2525.
Look carefully.
5 to 52.
5 to 52. Okay. Aiden, what number is this? My favorite number.
What number is 26?
26.
Good. 2626. Okay. So now let's start Kids Anthem. Can I ask everybody to stay on mute? Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dhruv. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you. Can everybody stay on mute, please? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let me ask Devkrish. Okay. Devkrish is going to say Kids Anthem with me. Okay, Devkrish? Okay. You're going to repeat after me. Okay. I want all of you to please close your eyes, have your hands near your chest like this, and close your eyes. Sit straight, everyone. If you're standing, then stand properly. Okay? Come on. Come on, Vihan. Have your hands here on the chest, near the chest. Right here, on the chest, near the chest. Right here. Good morning, Sailesh. Good morning, Sailesh. Cheer, cheer. Cheer. No, I'm just adjusting my headset. I'm just asking you to keep it here. Okay, thank you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Very good. Dhruv, come on, Dhruv. Close your eyes, Dhruv. When we do Kids Anthem, I want all of you to close your eyes. Calm yourself. Come on, please. Nitila. Only when I see everybody closing their eyes and ready, I'm going to start today. It's been already 3 months. You have to practice how do we do prayer at school. Rohita. Rohita, can you sit? Very good. Kids Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Please open your eyes. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Rohita, Rohita, that's not good, Rohita. You should sit properly and close your eyes during Kidzi Anthem. Why you didn't do properly, Rohita? Rohita? How we should do Kidzi Anthem? Closing your eyes, right? What are you playing there? Keep all the toys aside. Okay? Good morning, Satvika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karthikeyan. How are you? Okay, now we are going to start the warm-up. Please stand up. Okay, I'm going to see everyone. I want all of you to dance. Okay? The new song. Let me ask Karthikeyan, can you say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stomp your feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Swing, swing, swing your arms.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Dance everybody and sing with me.
Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around.
Jump, jump, jump around.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Touch the sky and touch the ground.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
Shake, shake, shake your hips.
I know a song and it goes like this.
I know a song and it goes like this.
Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
Okay. Good, Satvika. I saw you dancing. Very good, Satvika. Okay, now we'll start with attendance. Okay. Aiden,
Para.
Lollipop, lollipop.
See,
here I am.
here I am, Para.
Here I am.
Lollipop.
Lollipop, lollipop.
Good. Devrakshita,
Absent today.
the mouse is absent today. Okay. I want all of you to listen and answer. Okay, all of you. Okay. Devkrish.
Here I am, lollipop, lollipop.
Okay. Danvin.
Here I am, lollipop, lollipop. Up.
Okay. What is the fruit on your dress? What is that fruit on your dress?
Apple.
Apple, yellow apple with eyes. Very nice. Okay. Dikshan.
Mouse is absent today.
Mouse is absent today. Okay. Dhruv. We will count 5. If you are not answering attendance, we will say mouse absent today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhruv, you are there. Why are you not answering attendance? Dhruv? Sailesh, please stay on mute, Sailesh. Please stay. Dhruv is there because it's echoing. Dhruv, say here I am.
Here I am.
Okay. Farnas?
The mouse is absent today.
Okay. Hashini?
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly, up.
Okay. Iron? Iron? 1, 2. Here I am. Very good. Okay. Janavi?
The mouse is absent today.
Okay. Karthikeyan?
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly, up.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Kavyayini?
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly, up.
Okay, good. Naitik?
The mouse is
Absent today.
Mouse absent today. Okay. Neha?
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, good, Neha. Nitila?
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am. Nukshita? Nukshita?
Up.
Yeah. Okay, Nitila. Roly okay. Nukshita absent. Rajesh? Rajesh?
Good morning, ma'am. Here I am, Radha, ma'am.
Here I am. Okay. Okay, thank you, Rajesh. Pranita?
Here I am, ma'am. Rolly, up.
Ah, okay, Pranita. Rohita?
Here I am. Rolly, up.
Okay.
Rolly.
Satvika?
Here, ma'am. Rolly, up.
Good. Sailesh? Very good, Sailesh. Thank you. Siddharth?
Naman.
Yeah, the most absent today.
Mountain absent.
Okay, Tejas?
Mouse
Oh, absent today. Tarnika?
Sorry for
Okay.
feeling the reaction. Good morning, Radha ma'am. See reaction.
Good morning, Janavi. What is that you're showing me? Is that a cotton? What is that?
Shell.
Shell. Oh, you went to beach?
Yes.
Nice. Vishank? Vishank?
Here I am.
Okay.
Here I am, ma'am.
Vivan?
Today.
Haha, no, the mouse is present today. Are you present or absent today, Vivan? Are you present or absent for the class today? You're present, right?
Here I am.
Mouse is present today. Here I am. Here I am.
Here I am.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Zedi.
Here I am, ma'am. Their mouses were just today.
The mouse is present today. Very good, Zedi. Wonderful. Okay, Vihan. Vihan? Here I am. Good, Vihan. Can we do roly poly up, Vihan? Roly poly, up. Ah, very good. Okay. So before we start the class today, can we all do a big rocket clap for ourselves? Yes. Yesterday you all measured your workbook with eraser, right? I didn't appreciate you much. Yesterday we didn't have time because we are finishing very fast. So today now we are going to do a big rocket clap for all of us. Ready? Okay, have your hands like this. How do we do the rocket clap? You're going to tap, tap, clap, clap, go up. Clap, 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 come down. And shh, like that. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rocket clap for all of us. Okay. So now we are going to spin the wheel and we are going to start reading. Okay, how many? Okay, let me ask you. How many of you read E-words yesterday? Raise your hand. How many of you read E-words yesterday? Please raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, I can see Danvin is raising the hand. I'll just read out the name quickly. Meanwhile, I'll just. Okay, Hashni has read the words. Okay. That's it. Vivan? No. Okay. Okay, so you're going to read today. And then when we come back on Tuesday, okay, we have Monday holiday. So on Tuesday when we come back, we'll have a small dictation on E-words. Okay, just read the first 2 pages alone, which the one we have practiced in the class. Okay. Okay. So now before we start the class, I want to give a quick recap. Many of you may have forgotten the phonic sound of the vowels. Before we spin the wheel, please listen, children. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Attendant. Please.
I marked you present, Janavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay. So first we're going to revise vowels. Okay, in English alphabet, these 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. Okay, these are called vowels. Okay, I want all of you to open your mouth. When ma'am says something, I want all of you to open your mouth and say with me. No sitting like this. No. Okay, so you're all going to show me your mouth, everyone. Let me see. Open your mouth and show me. Let me see if we can all open. Yes, everybody can open your mouth. So I want all of you to open your mouth and say with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels in English alphabet. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's sing one more time together, everyone. 1, 2, 3. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Are the vowels. Are the vowels. Okay, so these are very important letters in English alphabet. Now we are going to revise the phonics. So we are not going to learn. We have already learned in junior KG and lot in senior KG. Now we are going to revise one by one. Okay, sound of A. How does A sound? A. A as an apple. A as an alligator. A as an axe. Okay, sound of A is A as an apple. Remember always. What is sound of A? Everyone together. A. I want to see everybody. Rajesh, come on, keep the notebook down. A. Apple. Next letter E. E. What is the phonic sound for E? Elephant. Phonic sound of E is not E. The phonic sound is when you read the letters, we will use the sound and not the letter name. The letter name is E. But what sound does E make? E makes sound elephant sound. Okay. So E sound is elephant. Elephant. Next letter I. The name of the letter is I. What sound does I make? Igloo. Igloo. So sound of I is igloo. Next letter O. The name of the letter is O. What sound does the letter make? O letter make O as in octopus. O as in octopus. So the sound when I ask you, come on, tell me what is the phonic sound of O? You should all say me. The name of the letter is O. O makes the sound O. Okay. Next letter is last the U. What is the phonic sound for U? Umbrella. Umbrella. A, E, O, A. So these are the main sounds in English. You should know. Okay. So now we are going to try reading the words, small words using these letters. Okay. So let me. E is very confusing for many of you. So we'll read that now. Let me spin the wheel. Okay, for those whose name is getting in the spinning wheel, you're going to unmute quickly and we're going to read. Okay?
We won!
Yeah, Vivan. Okay, let's read. Come on. Okay. What?
Red.
Red. Can you just say the phonic sound so that all our friends will hear that? What is the phonic sound for R? What is phonic sound? Okay. And what is sound for D? Okay. How do you read it?
Red.
Red. Okay. You're going to teach everyone. Okay, Vihan. Sorry, Vivan.
I told you. What is it? It's
Set. Very good. I would love to give you a big marshmallow clap for Vivan. Very good. Yay! Okay. Now. Whose name was that? Dev Krish. Ready, Dev Krish? Okay, Dev Krish, I'll give you an option. What vowel you want to choose? We have A, E, I, O, U. What letter you want to choose? A. Okay. Safer side. Okay. Read this.
Rat.
Rat.
Sat.
Sat. Sat. Sad.
Had.
Had. Ha ass. Ha ass. Ha ass. Ha ass. Has. Very good. I want to give you the wave clap. Okay, let's do the wave clap for Devish. Wave. Wave clap. What? Okay, good. Okay, so now we are going to start the class with the concept what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we learned the concept. Zadie, what concept did we learn yesterday? What did we learn yesterday?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, good. Yes, Janavi, what did we learn yesterday?
Measurement.
Measurement, okay. Concept, Tarnika, what did we learn yesterday?
Food we get from animals.
Food we get from animals. From with me, Hashni, I already discussed with you that. Okay. Yes, we learned about what foods we get from animals. Correct. Rohita, what food do we get from animals, Rohita?
No, ma'am.
Say
You
answer.
don't know?
Yesterday, some network issue, ma'am. She
Oh,
stopped the class.
dropped in the middle. No. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Satvika, what foods do we get from animals?
Meat. Meat.
Meat. Sit properly. Turn this and sit properly, Satvika. We get meat from animals. Nitila, what food do we get from animals, Nitila?
Egg.
Egg. Very good. Pranita, what do we get from animals?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. Okay. Think. What food we get from animals? Think and tell me. Okay, Aiden, what food do we get from animals?
Fruit animal animal will give fruits.
No.
What food does animal give?
ഏത് ഫുഡാ തരാ? What food?
Food.
White color. What is that? Yes, we get milk from animals. Then when?
Chicken, fish.
Chicken, fish, Sailesh.
Milk and fish.
Milk and fish. Okay. Egg. Okay. Prajesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what food do we
Yes,
get from
ma'am.
animals? Oh, you were absent yesterday, no? You are present? You are present or absent? I forgot.
Cow
Cow milk. Yes, Neha, what food do we get from animals? What food do we get from animals?
Yeah.
Milk, egg. Okay. So, yes, we get milk, butter, cheese, curd, egg, meat. Yes, Pranita, you found out? Remember?
Butter, ma'am.
Butter. Kavya, any?
Yes, ma'am. Milk, meat,
Milk.
egg.
Milk, egg. So, we get milk, egg, fish, seafoods, and meat. All these from animals. Okay, so
Paneer.
yes, paneer. Paneer is from animals. Yes, milk. From milk we make paneer. Thank you, Zadie. Okay, so today we are going to see some more things about food. Okay, we are going to learn how much we should eat food. So when we started the class last week, we learned about a triangle. I showed you a triangle. No, remember? That's called food pyramid. Yes, it's like a triangle. When the lower part you eat more, little less, little only you should eat, very little you should eat. So that I'll show you the triangle now that we are going to learn now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so if you see this picture, this is called food pyramid. Okay, on all the sides, if it's something like it looks like a triangle, then that 3D shape is called pyramid. When we learned about cube, what did we learn, children? When all the sides it looks like a square, then it is a cube. Likewise, all the sides it looks like a triangle, then it is called pyramid. So one new shape we are learning today. When it looks like a triangle on all the sides, it's called pyramid. Okay, so this is the food pyramid picture. So in order to stay healthy, we should follow this food pyramid. Okay, first thing, we should drink plenty of water. Okay, you have to drink lot of water. Second, you should eat the right time. Morning, you should wake up, brush your teeth, take bath, have milk. Then you should eat your breakfast. Lunch, you should eat lunch by afternoon. Evening, healthy snack. Night, dinner. So when you should eat all the times properly and do regular exercise. Exercise and eating healthy, eating at the right time will keep you healthy. See, if you see this in this picture, the two boys are playing, the girl is skipping, they are doing exercise. So we should not sit in front of TV, mobile or iPad, keep watching that throughout the day. Okay, next. So if you see this pyramid, the down one, it's very big. Next, little small. I'll just draw and show you. You see this here, this is this much big. Then this becomes little small. Then again, if I draw a box, little. This one, much little. Then this is very less. Okay, so this is how we should eat the food. Okay, we should eat lot of rice, chapati, cornflakes, bread, cereals that you can eat more. That will give you lot of energy to play. Okay, first one. Second, we should eat fruits equally and vegetables equally. Just not by eating only vegetable. We should also eat fruits. Just not by eating fruits, we should also eat vegetables. So we should eat fruits and vegetables. Then milk products, all the milk products, milk, ice cream, curd, cheese, butter, paneer, curd, everything little less compared to fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables we should eat more. These milk products we should eat little less. Next come the animal products. Okay, and here we have meat, eggs, fish. We should eat them. Nuts, the one we saw. What is nut? Anybody remember? What is nut? Seed of? Nut is a seed of?
Seed of vegetables.
Nut is a seed of vegetable? No.
Seed of plant. Plant.
Nut is a seed of
Plant.
fruit. Pulses is a seed of vegetable. Remember, children, when we saw cashew nut, when we saw almond, all these are seeds of fruit. Nuts are all seeds of fruit. Pulses are all seed of vegetables. Tarnika, clear? No? Okay. Little confused, no problem. Okay. So that you have to eat little less. Okay. Then sweets, chocolates, oily foods, fried items like French fries, chips, all those you should eat very less. Okay. So this is the food pyramid. Now, before you go on to the worksheet, I'm going to show you the picture. You're going to tell me whether it's a plant food or it's a animal food. Okay. Let's do it from here. Dhruv. Dhruv. Dhruv, what is this picture, Dhruv?
Ma'am, we are not able to see the picture, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I'm really sorry. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, yeah. What is this picture, Dhruv?
What picture is this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Mushroom we get from plants or we get mushroom from animals?
We get from animals or we get from plants?
Plants.
We get from plants. Very good. A big rocket clap for Dhruv. Very good, Dhruv. Okay. Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oil we get from plants or animals?
Oil.
Oil.
Coconut oil നമുക്ക്
Coconut
oil.
oil.
Plant ആണോ animals ആണോ അതില്? Which one?
Plant.
Plants. We get coconut oil. Good. Very good. Rocket clap for Aiden. Very good, Aiden. Yes. We get coconut oil, olive oil, peanut oil, and seeds oil. All these oils we get from plants. Okay. Next, let me ask Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this picture, Janavi?
Corn.
Corn. Where do we get corn from? Plants or animals?
Animal.
Animals will give you corn. Which animal gives you corn?
Plant.
We get corn from plants.
Corn.
Iron.
Cheese.
Cheese. Where do we get cheese from? Plants or animals?
Yeah. Animals. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
We get cheese from milk. Milk is a product from animals. So we get cheese from animals. Can you say, Iron? We get cheese from we get. Can you repeat? We get. Iron, can you repeat after me? We get.
Yes. You get
Cheese from
cheese.
animals. Cow animals. Okay. Sailesh.
What is this?
Apple.
Where
We
do
get from
Tree.
tree. So plant or animal?
Ah.
Plants. Okay. Kaviyani.
Ma'am.
What is this?
Bread.
Bread. We get from plants or animals?
Yes, sir.
Plant.
Plants. Okay. Hashni.
Plant.
Why? What is this? Brown color. What is this?
Meat.
Very good. Wheat. And you remember how do we learn the spelling for wheat? Remember?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. WH. What is the sound of WH? We learned the other day.
Which?
What is the sound of WH?
W. Sound. W. Sound.
Wah.
Wow, very good. Wow, wheat. Good. Next, Danvin.
Animal feeder.
What is this?
Ghee.
Geese. We get from
Animals.
animals. Good. Neha.
Plant.
What is this? What is this? Tell me what is this?
Honey.
Oil.
Oil.
We get oil from
From where we get? What is that?
சொல்லு
Say.
Lamp.
Plants. Okay.
எங்க உட்கார்ந்து ப்ராப்பரா பண்ணினா தானே
So now we'll all take this worksheet, SR D49 CT worksheet. If you have crayons, you can take crayons, children. If not, we are just going to color it. Okay. So we are going to read the food group and match it with the color. Okay. So whenever we find a vegetable, we are going to color it with green color. Okay. When we find meat products, we are going to color it with red color. If it is cereals like rice, wheat, bajra, all those, we are going to color it with blue color. Milk, dairy means milk products. Milk, curd, cheese, butter, dairy. All dairy products are milk products. Ice cream, all those we are going to color it with gray color. Dal and pulses, the seeds of the vegetables, we are going to color with brown color. When we see oils, we are going to color with yellow color, and fruits, orange color. Ready, everyone? Okay, the first one. Here we have, did you all find out your worksheet, SR D49 CT worksheet? Please write your name in the worksheet and mark today's date. Pranita, you found out your worksheet? Satvika, Vishank, everybody? Iron? Okay, Rohita, tell me what is the date today, Rohita?
2626.
Very good. 2/6/26. And what is tomorrow, Rohita?
Tomorrow?
27.
Today is very good. 2/7/27. And what was yesterday? Rohita, what was yesterday?
Yesterday.
Today is 2/6/26. What was yesterday?
5.
Hmm?
5.
అటు చూసి చెప్పు తల్లి 25
2, 5,
ఏంటి 25
25.
వెరీ గుడ్
25. Very, very good. I would love to give a rocket clap for Rohita. Very good.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పు
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Let me ask somebody. Vishank, what is today, Vishank? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? What is today, Vishank? Yes. Okay. Let me give you a clue. Yesterday was Wednesday. So what is today? Vishank, yesterday was Wednesday. So today? Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Friday.
from the beginning. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. After Wednesday, Thursday. Vishank, you know, when I was a child like you, I also usually forget Thursday. I say after Wednesday, it's Friday. So today is Thursday. No problem. Okay, so today is Thursday. And how is the weather? How is the weather? Look out and tell me, somebody help me. How is the weather? Sunny for everyone. Okay. Sunny, okay, Rohita, Visha, Danvir, Seri, everybody said sunny, so I'm gonna fix sunny, yes. Okay. Karthikeyan. Sunny at your place, okay. Come on, Karthikeyan is going to help me with the first worksheet, okay? Did you write your name and date, Karthikeyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Karthikeyan, tell me, this one, pumpkin, cabbage, what is this, fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable.
So what color are we going to color for vegetable? Vegetable. What color?
Green.
Green. So for vegetables, we are going to color green.
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 Yes. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Apple, cherry. What are the fruits there? Can you see the picture and tell me?
Fruits.
What are the fruits?
Pear.
Pear, okay.
Apple.
Apple, pear, apple,
Strawberry.
strawberry,
Cherry.
cherry. Okay, these are fruits. So, for fruits. So, if it is fruits, what color?
Yellow.
Fruits, F fruits.
Orange.
Orange. Okay. So, for vegetables, we are going to color green color. Thank you, Karthikeyan. For fruits, you are going to color it with orange.
Orange. Yes.
Okay. Nitila. What is the next one, Nitila? You have dal and pulses. What are those? What color you want to color for here? This one, dal and pulses. This one, dal and pulses.
Maroon.
Okay, brown or maroon, dark red, maroon. Okay. So you're going to color brown for dals and pulses. So for dal and pulses, we are going to color it with brown color. Children, you can use this space to color, children. You need not color it on the food items. You can use, I forgot to say, you can use this space for coloring. Don't color on the fruits and vegetables so that it will not be seen. Okay? Okay, Vihan. Vihan, what is this next one, Vihan?
Vegetables.
ఇది చెప్పు చెప్పు
This one. Fish. Very good. Fish, meat.
ఎక్కడ ఉంది
Give me a minute, Janavi. Fish and meat, you're going to color it with red color. Meat, red color. Meat. Red color. Very good. So fish and meat, you're going to color with red color. Yes, Janavi, tell me, Janavi.
Can we color? No, ma'am.
You can, if you have color, you can color it now, or else you can color it later. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. The next one, what is the next one? Let me call Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if you want, just note it down. You can color it later, okay? Because after this, I'm going to start the next worksheet, okay? Just mark it with the color so that, see, just mark it like this. Say, suppose you want to color, give me a second. You're going to color this with red color, no? So then what you do, just mark it with like this. Just put a line. You can color it neatly later on, okay? Just mark it here now. Okay, yes, Satvika. The next one, what is this, Satvika? Is it pulses and dal?
No.
No. Is it fruit? Is it a fruit? Is it a vegetable?
No.
Is it a oil?
No.
Is it a milk product?
No.
Is it a cereal?
Yes.
Yes, so cereals, we'll color it with blue color. Cereals, we'll color it with blue color. So just mark blue here. I'll just color it, give a light shade so that you can color it later. Meat, we have red color, right? So meat, you'll color it with red. Cereals, dals and pulses, brown color. Pulses, brown color. Then fruits, you're going to color it with orange color. Vegetables, you're going to color it with green color. Only if you color it neatly and send me, I'll give you stars and strawberry. If not, I'll not give you strawberry. I'll just give only star. Okay? So please color it neatly within the boundary. Still now, I see many of you are not coloring it properly within the boundary in one direction. Please don't scribble. Take some time and then color it. Okay? Okay, next one, milk products. Milk products. Like dairy products. Milk products are called dairy. Stylish. Dairy products are called milk products. So what color for dairy products?
Milk products in a color.
Gray, very good. So for all the milk products, otherwise called as dairy products, for all the products we get from milk, like butter, cheese, ice cream, curd, or paneer, all those you're going to color it in gray color. And the next, this one, Devkrish. Devkrish. Oils. What color oils?
Yellow.
Yellow. For oils, we are going to color it with yellow. Thank you, Devkrish. This one is orange. Have you all marked? Done? Yes. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next worksheet. Okay, we are going to do this worksheet. Before that, we are going to learn something and then do the worksheet. Okay? Can you all have, just mark it with a color, children? You can color it neatly later and send it to me. Can you all keep your worksheets down? I hope you'll all listen to me, right? Okay. So we're going to learn something new. I will not say it's new, but we're going to revise a very, very important concept on numbers. Okay. So before we started the class, I think almost everybody said the numbers, right? So now we are going to learn 3 words on numbers. Okay. One is before, as we do on the attendance daily. Before, after, and we're going to learn one more new word, in between. Can you all open your mouth and say with me? Before, after, in between. Before, after, in between. Okay? We are going to do with action. Okay? Before, after, in between. When you say in between, you know what is that? If I have something, middle of something, I have this hand, I have this hand, this is in between my hands. This is in between. Okay? Before, after, in between. Before, after, in between. Okay? So now I'll just show you some examples, then I'll ask you questions. Okay? First we have, let's take the number, my favorite number, 26. Okay? So when we take 26, 2, 6, 26. Can you all see what I'm showing? 2, 6, 26. So when I ask you, what is the before number for 26? Then you should tell me the number before 26. This is the before number. What is that number? 2, 5, 25. When I ask you, what is after 26? Then you're going to tell me the number after 26. That is 2, 7, 27. And what about 26? 26 is between 25 and 27. Nadula. 26 is between 25 and 27. Okay, are you following me? So let's take some other example. I'll write it in a here and show you. "23, 24, 20, 23, 24, 25. In this, 24 is middle, 23 is here, 25 is here. So 23 is before 24. 25 is after 24. 24 is between 23 and 25. 24 is between 23 and 25. Okay, let's take a smaller number for better understanding. 5, 6, 7. Okay, in this 6 is middle. So 6 is between 5 and 7. 5 is before. Draw a line like this. Before. 5 is, sorry. Yes, 5 is before 6. 7 is after 6. Are you all following me? Anybody who's not understanding or not clear? Raise your hand. Please raise your hand. So number 6, that one is not clear. Who is not clear? Who didn't understand? Raise your hand. Teddy, you didn't understand. Teddy didn't understand. Okay. Anybody? Vihan didn't understand. Okay. Who else? Okay. We'll do one more time. Then we'll also didn't understand. Okay. So when I ask you, I give the number 6. I'll ask you, what is the number before 6? Satvika didn't understand. Okay. When I ask you, what is the number before 6? We'll count from 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what did I count before 6? I counted 5. So 5 is before 6. Okay. One more time. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what did I count before 6? Minadi, before 6, 5. Okay. 6, 7. So what did I count after 6? After 6, what did I count? 7. So 6 is between 5 and 7. 6 is between 5 and 7. Okay. Let's do even smaller number. I'm going to count for 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 4, what did I count? Before 4, what did I count? 3. After 4, what will I count? 5. So 4 is between 3 and 5. Okay. Now let me ask Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Zeddy is going to help you with the before number. Okay. What is before 14, Zeddy? Count 10. If I ask you like that, you should start counting. Don't look at your parents for answers. Okay. 10, 11, 12,
30, 40, 50.
15. So what did you count before 15? 11, 12. Zeddy, we are doing it for you. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So before 15, what did you count?
40.
14. So 14 comes before. What is after 15, Zeddy? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is the after number. Now 15 is where? It is between 14 and 16. Okay. Now I'm asking you, let me ask Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a second. Let me wrap this. What is after 21? 20,
20.
20.
22.
So what is after 21? After 21. 21 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 20, 21.
22.
Yes. 22. So 22 will come after 21. Yes, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, Satvika. What is before 13? Before 13. Count from 11. 11.
11, 12, 13.
Yes, okay. Before 13. Before 13, what did you count? Come on. 11.
11,
Where is your fingers? Where is your fingers? Show me. 11.
11,
Hmm.
12,
Hmm.
13.
Before 13, what did you count?
What is this number before 13?
Count again. 11. Yes. So that you have to write as a before number. That is the before number, 12. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Devkrish. You're not clear or you're clear, Devkrish?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Devkrish.
Last in between, ma'am, is not clear, ma'am.
In between, I have not started explaining. Don't worry, okay? Devkrish, what is the number here? No.
What is the first number?
4 to
42.
42. So what is before 42? If you don't know that, you should start counting from the first number. 40, 41.
42.
So what is before 42? 42 Minadi, what did you have? 40, 41, 42. So before 42, what did you count? 40, 41, 41. Okay, so when I ask before number, look for the first number. Okay, 4, 40, right? So start counting from 40. If I give the answer, question is 34. And when I ask the before number, what is this number, Devkrish?
What is this number?
3.
3, 4.
3, 4, 34.
3, 4, 34. So ma'am is asking the before number for 34. So you should start counting from 30. 30,
30.
31,
1.
32.
33.
So you will stop counting before that number. So 33. Okay?
No, ma'am, he is not clear, I think.
You are not clear about the before number? Devkrish? Yes or no? No, we'll do it one more time. Okay, Devkrish, what is the number here?
2, 3, 23.
Number and
2,
say
3, 23. Okay?
Oh.
So you will start counting from, this is for everyone. We will not do individual activity. Please listen. Okay? This is for everyone. I want all of it listen. It's just a demo so that everybody can listen. On behalf of everyone he is doing. I don't want others to turn around and everybody we cannot do with an individual activity today. Maybe next week we'll try doing an individual activity. Not today. Okay? Yes, Devkrish. This is 2, 3, 23. So you will start counting from 20. Come on. 20.
20.
21.
After 20.
21. 22. 23.
So you should stop counting. So what did you count before 23? 20, 21. Yes, 22. So that is the before number. Okay?
Okay, it's okay.
No? Why are you sad?
He started crying. Nothing, ma'am.
You are saying the right answer. Why do you have to cry, Devkrish? You've just started. Next week also we'll learn again. Don't worry. Okay? Yes, let me call Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthikeyan, what is this number, Karthikeyan?
16. 60, ma'am.
16?
66.
No.
16.
16. Karthikeyan, forgot. Junior KG all. 60 is 60. 60, 60.
60.
6, 6, 6. 60, 60.
60.
6, 6, 66. Can you repeat after me? 6, 6,
6,
66.
66.
Okay. 1, 6 is 16.
1, 6 is 16.
Okay, now count from 11,
11,
12,
12,
13.
14,
Uh,
16, 16.
what is before 16?
17.
That is after 16, 17. Before 16, Kaminadi. 11, 12,
15.
1, 5, 15. Okay, so now we'll do the worksheet now. Okay, with the numbers we have there. Next week, sometime when we have time, we will do an individual activity. You're all going to bring numbers and show me. Okay, in between concept is just you're going to write the after number. Look here. Just give me a minute. Before taking the worksheet, just give me a minute. Okay. If you have 23, box, and then you have 24, 25. So if you have this 23, 25, and then you have a box, this means between. So we don't know what comes between 23 and 25. Just remember, look at the first number. Look at the first number. What is the number here? 23. Just write the after number of 23. What is the after number of 23, Hasini?
24.
Yes, just write 24. That is a between number. Okay, when we ask for between number, just look for the first number. Okay, on the left hand side. Do the after number in the box. That becomes a between number. So 24 is between 23 and 25. Sailesh, are you able to follow, Sailesh? You fell down? Okay, let's start the worksheet. Let's see how far we know. Please take out your worksheet. SRD50 empty worksheet. SRD50 empty worksheet. Have you all taken this worksheet? Please write your name and write today's date, 26. Just ask you to take the worksheet and who is raising the hand for that? Please write your name, write today's date, 26.8.21, 26/2/6/26. Dot 8.21. Did you all find out the worksheet? Anybody who hasn't found out?
Number.
SRD50 5050 empty worksheet. Have you all taken the worksheet? Wrote the name and date. Okay, we're going to start now. Let me call Dhruv.
Yes.
Dhruv, what is the number here, Dhruv?
What's the number? Please tell me.
9.
No,
Okay.
it's not 9. What is the number? 3, 9.
3, 9,
Hmm.
39.
Very good. 3, 9, 39. So when we see this number, the first number is 30, right? 3, 9, 39. So we are going to start counting from 30. Come on, Dhruv, count with me. 30,
30,
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
5,
35, 36,
Look here, this way. Look here.
37, 38. Okay, what is before 39? Before 39.
Before 10.
Before 39.
Look there, look there. Ma'am is showing you. Ma'am is showing you.
Before 39.
उधर देखो मैम दिखा रही है 30 ये क्या है
38. 38. Okay, so again we are going to count 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 is our number, question number. So before 39, 38. So the answer is 38. Please write 38.
right here 38
38, 38.
8 3 8
8, 38. Nitila. What is the number next question, Nitila? What is the number there? 20? 20. So come on, Nitila, we are going to count. As it is 20, we are going to start counting from 10. Okay, come on, Nitila, count from 10. 10,
சொல்லுங்க அப்ப கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
10,
10,
11,
11,
கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
12,
2,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15
16, 17,
17,
18,
அங்க பாத்து சொல்லு 18
18,
19,
20,
20.
20,
What is before 20, Nitila? What is before 20?
19,
19. So please write 19 in your worksheet. Before 20 is 19. 1, 9, 19. Rohita. What is the question number there? 4, 3.
4, 3, 43.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు
43. Okay, so we are going to find the 43. So we are going to find the before number, correct? So we are going to start counting from 40. Count from 40. 40,
40,
41,
41,
42.
43, 44,
Wait. Our question was 43, right? So you should stop with 43. So what is before 43? What is before 43?
చూడు అక్కడ మ్యామ్ చూపిస్తున్నారు 43
Before 43, what is that?
44,
నో
That is after. Before
43 before
43,
count one. 40, 41.
42,
Yes, 42. Right, 42.
42,
right
4 to 42.
4 first
Just a 4, 9 was a 5, కదా?
Neha. Neha, what comes after 28? After 28, 28.
after 28 yesterday 28
20, 21.
21,
Count.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
after 28
29,
Yes, what is after 28?
29,
Yeah, please write 29. 2, 9, 29. Pranita.
புரியுதா
Pranita.
Ma'am,
What is the number, Pranita? 4, 5,
45, ma'am.
45. What is the number after 45? 40,
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46,
what is the number after 45?
46, ma'am.
46. Vivan. Vivan, after 38?
39,
Okay. Can you count from 30? 30.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Very good. After 38, 39, 39. Rajesh.
38 ma'am.
That is done. Next one. What comes in between? First we finished before, then we finished after. Now in between. Rajesh, listen Rajesh. What comes in between? Okay. So 6 ko 8 ko what comes in between? Nadul enna varu? 6, 8. So if you don't know what we should do, what I said, you count after 6. What is after 6?
After 6.
After 6, 7.
7. So that comes in between 6 and 7. Next number, Prajesh. What is this number? 3, 3. 3, 3. What is this number, Prajesh? 3, 3.
3, 3, 33.
Okay. What is this number? 3, 5.
3, 5, 35.
Very good. Can you count from 30? 30.
30,
31.
31, 40,
32.
32, 33, 34,
Okay. So what comes after 33? 33 kapra enna vandhudu? 30, 34, 30, 31, 32, 33, and after 33, 34.
3,
Janavi,
4. Yes, ma'am.
what is this number, Janavi? 19.
19, 19,
Okay, what is this number?
20.
Okay, after 19, 20, 20. Only the before number is little difficult. We have to practice road counting from Tuesday. Okay, so as soon as we join the class, you're going to remind me. Who is going to remind me? Okay, Pranita. Pranita.
Ma'am,
Okay, you're going to remind me. Ma'am, we have to count from 1 to 100. Daily you should remind me. Will you remind me, Pranita?
okay, ma'am.
Pranita is going to remind me every day. Ma'am, we are going to count numbers 1 to 100. What we are going to do? Count numbers.
1 to, ma'am, count 1 to 100.
Yes, yes, you have to tell me. Okay. So now we have done with the worksheet. Can you all keep your worksheets down? We'll do the folding activity quickly. Please take out your handkerchief or small towel, lunch towel, whatever we have. If you had been at school, you will bring lunch towel and spoon to school. Then when you go back home, you will learn how to pack. So as we are not coming to school, we are learning here virtually how do we fold our lunch towel. Okay, if you have kerchief, never mind, please take it. That's very easy for you. Please don't take a big one. It will be very difficult for you. Then you will lose confidence of folding. Okay, so did you all have something like this, a kerchief or a towel? Show me like this. Hold it in the, see, this is called corner in English. Corner. Corner. So hold the corners of your kerchief like this. Please don't take big one. It will be very difficult for you. Okay. Take small one like this. As I told you yesterday. Yes, I think many of you have got it. Good. Please hold the corners. Done, everyone? Okay, you can have like this. We'll learn two types. Okay. First with the hand. Okay. Hold it onto your chin. Hold it onto your chin like this. Hold it onto your chin like this. Jahnavi, please keep the pencil down. Hold it onto your chin like this. And then join these two corners. Hold it on your chin and join these two corners. Join the corners. Viva, join the corners. Okay, and then like this. Very good, Satvika. Then again, hold it onto your chin. Hold it onto your chin. And then again, join the corners. You will get a straight like this, straight line like this, right? Hold it, hold both ends together like this. Hold both ends. You have to do it. Please don't get help from your parents. You can do it. Come on. Please get it the kerchief from your parents. Tell that I can do it. Get it from them. Okay? Very good, Satvika. Then you just fold it like this. Good. Yes, Pranita. Fold it like this. Yes, very good, Pranita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fold it like this. If you want to do one more fold, fold it like this. Okay. Now we are going to keep it down and fold it once. Now what did we do? We holded it on our hands. Use the chin. Join the corners. Again, hold the chin. Hold it in the chin. Join the corners. We got one like straight line like this. Then hold it like this. We did. Now we are going to keep it down on our lap or on the floor, and we're going to do it. Okay? Let me show you. So open your towel. Open your towel. That will be very easy for you. Keep it down. Keep it down. We'll learn one more technique. Keep it down. Like this, spread it on the floor or on the table or on the lap. Everybody done? Now take the two corners here. Take the two corners which is near to you. Take the two corners near to you. Fold it to this corner. Fold it onto that corner. Many of you did the previous one which was difficult. I think this will be very easy for you then. Join here. Tap it like this. This is called tapping. We learned two action words today. What is the first one? Fold, tap. Can you all do again with me? Open it, fold, tap. Or tap it like this. Tap. This is tapping. One more time. Ready? When I say fold, you're going to do folding. Okay? Fold. Tap. Then again, take these two corners. Fold. Spread it like this. Spread it like this. Again. Fold. Fold and tap. Is anybody finding it difficult to do? Have you all folded your hanky or the towel which you have? Yes, Satvika, perfect. Hashni, good. Dhruv, very good. Nitila, good. Okay, yes. Good, Neha. Good, Pranita. Good, Devfish. Very nice. Yellow color. Very nice. I'll come and see each of you. Okay, let me see. Iron, do you have the towel with you?
Look here, Radha, ma'am.
Yes, I saw that pink color, Neha. I'll come to each one of you and see that. Okay.
Jahnavi.
Yes, I'll come to each one of you. Please stay on mute. Okay. Danvin, yes, Danvin. Show me down, little down, little down. Yes. Nice, Danvin. Make sure the corners are on the same line. Okay. Good, Danvin. The grey towel. Yes.
Okay,
Neha. Yes, Neha. I saw the pink one. Good, Neha. Very good. Dhruv, can you show me a folding? Yeah. Okay, Dhruv, what are the two words we learned? Fold and tap. What is meant by this? Fold. Fold. Fold.
Fold and tap.
How do you tap, Dhruv? How do you tap? How do you tap? Tap. Okay, so when I come and ask you, you're all going to show me, you're going to tell the two words, fold and tap. Okay? Okay.
Fold and tap.
Vihan. Yes, Vihan. Fold and tap. Fold.
ஒரு லேப்டாப்பே இல்லை கிடையாது.
எப்படி ஒரு செகண்ட்ல படிச்சிட்டீங்க?
Vihan, show me your kerchief. It's folded one. Show me the folded one. Fold. Can you fold? Can you fold like this?
ரிப்பேர் ஆச்சுன்னா அவ்வளவுதான். லேப்டாப்பே மூடி வச்சு
Fold.
fold. இதுல கொண்டு போய் விட சொல்லணும்.
Fold. Okay. Tap. Tap. Okay. Karthikeyan.
உட்கார்ந்துட்டே இருக்கும்போது இந்த வேலை பண்ணுவீங்க நீ.
மா இதுல எல்லாம் பண்ணுமா.
Neha, can you stay on mute, Neha? Fold. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very, very good. Super. Good. Tarnika. Good. Fold and tap. Can you say the word? You don't have to show me. Tap. Okay, just say me the word. You don't have to demo also. Okay, good. Good, Tarnika. You know how to fold now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Such a big one. Okay. Wow. Okay, good. Devkrish. Where's our yellow towel? Come on. Fold. Fold. Tap. Wow. Nice. Neatly you're doing. Very good, Devkrish. Good. Open your mouth and say fold. Tap.
Fold tap.
Okay. Hashini. Hashini is working so hard there. Come on, quick, Hashini. Show me. Fold. Tap.
Fold. Tap.
Fold.
Tap. Chullu.
Fold tap.
Okay, Aiden. Fold. Fold it, fold it. Fold, very good. Okay. Good, Aiden. Pranita. Fold. You're having a big one, Pranita. Okay. Okay. You already did good, very good. Okay. Janavi.
Fold tap tap tap.
Fold, tap. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, Radhamma.
Sailesh. You're rolling now, Janavi. Okay, Sailesh. I saw very nice Superman, big towel. Okay. Fold.
Fold and tap.
Okay. Saplika.
Fold and tap.
Okay. So what are you going to do now? Fold. Okay. Satvika has already helped her mom, I think. Very nice. You're folding. Good. Super fast, Satvika. Very good. Wonderful. Wow. I would love to give you a wow clap, Satvika. Good. Nitila.
Fold. Fold, ma'am.
Fold. Okay. Tap. How do you tap? Yes. Okay. This is also tapping, and the tap which you open for what? That is also tap. Okay. Tap. Yes, Prajesh. Fold.
I fold.
You folded? Wow. That's so nice. Wow, Prajesh. So neatly I've done like ironed one. Okay. Did you tap it so well? You tapped it? Okay. Good, Sailesh. So, good. Rajesh. Okay. Yes, you're welcome. Vishank. Very nice, Vishank. Fold and tap. Good. Very good. Vivan.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, wood. Hold some more. Okay.
Fold and tap. Good. I'll come back to you, Danvin and Iron. Don't worry. Zadie, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Fold. Can you say the words fold? Fold. Okay. Spreading and tapping. Okay. Wow, Zadie. Nice. Very good. Okay. Okay. I haven't seen Iron. Iron, have you got for folding? Have you got something to fold? A towel like this? Okay. Yes, Danvin. What happened, Danvin?
Ma'am, you didn't ask him no, ma'am, so he's crying.
I saw yours. No, you showed me now the folding.
Yeah, I told him, but he's crying.
Come on, I'll see you once. You want 2 chances? I'll give you 2 chances. Don't cry. Okay, others, the class is over for today. You can leave. We'll see you tomorrow with a fresh bang for Krishna Jayanti. Okay? Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.